Hey guys, today we're going to be making some screen accurate replicas of the 2005 style Wonka bars. So let's get into it. A wee while ago I put up this video with instructions on how to make the 1971 style Wonka bars in both the screen accurate and a customizable version, and in there I included the files so you can download the wrappers and also the golden ticket inside. But then I had a few people message me and ask me if I can provide the files for the Tim Burton Johnny Depp 2005 version. So that's what we're going to do today. Now in the 2005 film there's actually 4 different bars that they use. So in the download description I've provided files for the 4 different wrappers and also for the golden ticket. This is a really easy build. All I've done is I've printed the wrappers onto a gloss paper, and I've found a photocopy paper which has got a gold shimmer to it, and I've used that to print the golden ticket, which is actually double-sided in this version of the film. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to cut out all of these pieces. So I'll start with the wrappers. Now with the golden ticket, I've made a double-sided file. So all you should need to do is print it double-sided and the images should align perfectly on both sides. So the screen accurate way of cutting this is to cut off this grey box that I've printed around the outside edge of the ticket. But if you were producing a lot of these and that was going to be too time consuming, you could actually just cut around the whole grey box and leave that on there. Now we have our wrappers and our golden ticket ready to put onto the chocolate bars. In my last video I had a few people ask me about the type of chocolate bar that I used and whether they could use different ones. Now the one that I used was just a cheap chocolate bar from our local supermarket. And the reason I chose this one is it's a 19 by 9 centimeter bar, which is about the right size for the film used one. And the main thing is that underneath the wrapper it's got a foil wrapper, and that's what we need for the screen used look. So you can use any bar that you like as long as it's a similar size, but if you do use one that's larger or smaller, then you may have to scale the size of the image up or down when you print it, just to make the wrapper fit your bar. The assembly of the bars is actually pretty straightforward, but someone pointed out in the last video that I put the golden ticket on top of the foil when it should actually be under the foil, and this is actually correct, and I did realize that. But the reason I put it over the foil is the bars that I was making originally were for my daughter's birthday, and we were sending them out as invitations. And because other people were going to be eating the chocolate, I didn't want to handle the chocolate that they were going to be eating. So we decided to put the golden ticket around the foil rather than under it. But of course you can always take the foil off, put the ticket around the chocolate and rewrap the foil if you like. Now in this film, the ticket's a little bit different. It's not actually wrapped around the middle of the bar like it was in the 1971 film. It's actually on top under the foil, but running the length of the bar. So that makes this much easier for the assembly. Put the ticket on top of the foil, then position our wrapper over the foil so that we get the image to come out where we want it, and then make a crease down both sides. Flip the bar over, make a crease on the 2 back sides, then take a glue stick, put a bead of glue along this edge here, and there you have it, a collection of 2005 style screen accurate Wonka bars. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Check out the video description for a link to download all the files that you need to make these yourself. Leave any questions or comments down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.